Alright everybody, hey, what's up? My name is Riz. Thanks for watching. Quick housekeeping, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and let's just get started. I'm just gonna get right into this. Basically, and you'll have to forgive the lighting. I'm in my parents' basement, and yeah, okay. Basically what you're gonna get out of this video is this is actually day 2 of 30 of a challenge from a book I'm reading, Discipline Equals Freedom by Jocko Willink. Okay, it's a really good book that I highly recommend that you jump on and get and use this as a field manual in your life, in business, in anything. All right, it's just a badass book, something that will really kick your butt into gear and really help you make something of your life. Okay, like I honestly think a lot of people should read this. Okay, so hope you can stick around and let's just get to it. All right. So how this is gonna work is I'm just gonna read out one of these passages, okay, and give a quick review of it, and yeah, right. Let's get to it. So, title is Where Does Discipline Come From? Where does discipline come from? This is a simple answer. Discipline comes from within. Discipline is an internal force. Sure, you can have a discipline imposed on you by a person, like a drill instructor, or that self-help guru on TV. But the reality is, he won't give you real discipline. Because that external discipline is not strong. It will not survive. It cannot stand on its own. What you are looking for, what you need, is self-discipline. Self-discipline, as the very term implies, comes from the self. You. It comes when you make a decision to be disciplined. When you make a decision to be better. When you make a decision to do more, to be more. Self-discipline comes when you decide to make a mark on the world. If you don't think you are disciplined, it is because you haven't decided to be disciplined yet. It is because you haven't created it yet. You haven't become it yet. So where does it come from? It comes from you. So make the decision. Make the commitment. And become the discipline. Embrace its cold and relentless power. And it will make you better and stronger and smarter and faster and healthier than anything else. And most important, it will make you free. Boom. So, number one, I hope you guys like the outline of this, of the way I'm doing these reviews, but I really, yeah, it's just brand new. I'm still learning this, so bear with me. But look, guys, as you can see, it talks about self-discipline, okay? So, we all hate working out. We all hate doing the uncomfortable tasks. We all hate doing the crap that we don't want to do. But we have to do them anyways. We have to take care of our family, our kids, our lives, our health, our ego, our everything, right? And if you don't have the discipline to actually go through the motions of the exercise, you're not gonna make those changes, okay? Sometimes, like right now, I'm probably tired, and I honestly was dreading doing these videos because I'm just like, holy crap, I'm like sleepy. Like I only got a few hours sleep last night because my daughter woke me up, and I went to bed like late last night. But at the same time, like I had to discipline myself to do it, right? I had to discipline myself to just get up off my ass and just do these videos and make them, right? Or do these review videos, build these products, build the sales page funnels, build everything. I had to discipline myself to actually get it done, right? I've been having problems all day trying to build a few landing pages. It took me about 5 hours to just build a few like really basic landing pages, but I had to discipline myself to just get through it, right? And if you're not going to do that, then you won't get it done. You know, it was frustrating. It was definitely frustrating. Felt like throwing in the towel some of the time, but I took a break and I went back. I had that discipline to get it done. Okay? So, you gotta be willing to just push yourself and have that discipline. So even if it's working out, you don't want to work out. I honestly didn't feel like working out today. I really didn't. I still don't. Right? But I decided, you know what? Screw it. I'm going to run around with my daughter, play with her, kill two birds with one stone, and I'm going to do like a couple dozen push-ups with her on my back. Right? So I at least did some sort of workout, but I had to have that discipline of working out and making shit happen. Alright? So, with that being said, my name is Rizwan Siani from MakeMyOwnLife.com and AffiliateKnockout.com. I want to say thank you for watching this. I really hope you got some good value out of it, some good tips. Let me know where you're lacking in. Let me know what you need discipline in. Alright, maybe we can help each other out. Leave a comment down below and drop a like on this video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so that you can stay tuned for more of these review videos like this. I'm going to be trying to do one every day for the next 30 days so that, number one, it helps me grow my content. I stay disciplined with this, no matter even if I feel like not doing it, but I'm going to stay disciplined. And I just want to bring you more value and more insight as to how you can use the steps and the tools that I'm using in my life to build yours and to make yours more successful than it already is. Alright? So that being said, thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I'll see you on the side of success. Alright? Peace out. Bye.